Aircraft structure is divided into three categories for the purposes of assessing damage and the application of repair protocol that are suitable for the structure under consideration. Manufacturer manuals designate which category a structure falls under, and the technician is required to repair and maintain that structure in accordance with rules specified for the category under which it falls. The three categories for structure are primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary structure is any portion of the aircraft structure that, if it fails, on the ground or in flight, would likely cause any of the following: a loss of control of the aircraft, catastrophic structural collapse, injury to occupants, power unit failure, unintentional operation, or inability to operate a service. Some examples of primary structure are wing spars, engine mounts, fuselage frames, and main floor structural members. Within the primary structure are elements called principal structural elements, PSEs. These elements are those which carry flight, ground, and pressurization loads. Primary structure may also be represented as a structurally significant item or SSI. These elements are specified in a supplemental structural inspection document. Due to their structural importance, they may require special inspection and have specific repair limitations. Secondary structure is all non-primary structure portions of the aircraft which have integral structural importance and strength exceeding design requirements. These structures can weaken without the risk of failure, such as those described for primary structure. Prominent examples of secondary structure are wing ribs, fuselage stringers, and specified sections of the aircraft skin. Tertiary structure is the remaining structure. Tertiary structures are lightly stressed structures that are fitted to the aircraft for various reasons. Fairings, fillets, various support brackets, and so on are examples of tertiary structure.